Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video will be a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to use your brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black for the first time. So to start with, we have to insert the battery. So to do that, we have to press this button here and slide it to the left and just release the cover there. So guys, when you insert the battery, you have to make sure of the proper positioning. So it should be like this. So when you insert it in, you have to make sure to do it slowly to avoid damage. So when you press it in, next is the card. And again, when you insert the card, you have to make sure of the proper position. So it should be this way. Okay. And there. So to close the cover, all you need to do is press it down and then push it back to the right. So when you hear that click, it means the camera is back to waterproof mode. After installing the battery and the memory card, the next step is to power on the camera. So to be able to power on the camera, we have to charge for 2 hours. The minimum charging time for this GoPro Hero 7 Black, especially if you're using it for the first time, would be 2 hours. So to do that, we have to press this button here and slightly pull it to the left and then pull it up. And as you see guys, there are two slots. One is for the power and one is for the data. So I'm gonna be charging this phone for 2 hours before turning it on. After charging the camera for 2 hours, the next thing to do is to turn it on. And to do that, all you need to do is press the shutter button for 5 seconds. And when you hear that beep, then the camera is already turned on. And the logo of the Hero 7 Black will appear on the small screen in front of the camera. Right there. And when you turn the camera, and since you're using it for the first time, it will ask you for the language. So from here I'm gonna choose English. After asking the language, it will show you the terms and conditions. So I hope you can read that guys. So for now, I will have to press agree. And in here guys, it's asking you if you want to capture the location of the video and photos you created. So I'm just gonna say click on OK. And in here guys, it's asking you to download the GoPro Hero 7 Black application to your phone to synchronize the camera to your phone. But I won't be able to do that today guys because I'm using my phone in recording this video. So I'm gonna do that later on. Okay, so after installing the GoPro app on my cell phone, the next step would be to set the date on your camera. So today is October 16, 2019, and then click the check mark. And so after setting the date, we also need to set the time, and the time now is 2:08 in the afternoon. Say 2 p.m. There we go. Then click on the checkbox. There it is. So we're done. So let's go outside to have a better lighting and test this camera. And now to take a photo, just slide on the screen, hover on the photo icon, and on the top of the camera just press on the shutter button to take a picture. So when you press it, and that's it, that's our photo there. To record a video, just slide again on the screen and choose the icon for the video, and again just use the shutter to record. And when you pressed it, you will see the timer is already working, which means we are already recording a video. So that's how easy it is to record a video using your GoPro Hero 7 Black. And when you press the shutter again, then it goes back to the main menu. And there's also another feature here, which is the time lapse, where you can also use it to record videos using time lapse mode. From here you can also change the resolution for your videos and photos. So in here, as you can see, I'm using the 1440 for my photo and video. So if you want to change, you can always choose, but again I was choosing the 1440 by 120. So if you want to use 4K videos by 30 frames per second, you can also choose 1440 by 30, and of course the 960 by 120, but of course I'm always using the 1440. It works for me well. If you want to have a clearer view when you take a video or a photo, if you want to clear the screen, just press this icon here on top, and there you can actually have a wide screen and you can really focus on the objects that you are recording. What I'm showing you right now is just the basics on how to operate your GoPro Hero 7 Black, and like I said, you can always make changes at any time as you go along when using your GoPro. Another cool feature about the GoPro Hero 7 Black is the zoom effect. So it's a slider on the screen, so when you slide it up, it will zoom in, and when you slide it down, it zooms out. And that is one of the features that every camera should have, and that's what makes the GoPro Hero 7 Black cool. Guys, there are still a lot of things to be discussed about the GoPro Hero 7 Black, but I will be ending my presentation here, and maybe I'll be doing another review of the other features and capabilities of this camera on my next video. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch my upcoming videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell to be notified on my newest upload. That's it for now guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.